All right, we're here on lesson number 5 for personality science. And this lesson is going to be focusing on the trait of extroversion. Now, these people have 2 subtraits, and keep in mind that these subtraits are enthusiasm and assertiveness. So extroversion is the E in our acronym OCEAN. So we've covered openness, conscientiousness, and now we're on to extroversion. So let's delve into what these 2 subtraits are about. Extroversion and enthusiasm. Well, it pretty much sums it up there, what that means in terms of the overall nature of this subtrait. What is enthusiasm? What is their perceptual framework? It's all about people and action. So they're drawn towards the people, they're drawn towards the action, they're drawn towards the energy, they're drawn towards the positive emotion. So they're constantly scanning for what's good, what's happening, what's going on, how can I be a part of that? So you can see that they've got a lot of energy and they've got a lot of enthusiasm and they've got a lot of yay, let's get together and share that enthusiasm. So they have both high combinations of dopamine and serotonin in their go juice going on here. So let's talk about what they tend to do in terms of behavior. They tend to be exciting. They tend to be optimistic. They tend to have positive emotions. They tend to act towards working with others. So these are all things that an extrovert is going to be doing. So you know these people, and they tend to be very exciting and very enthusiastic, and they are kind of the life of the party and the energy people in every single team. So having somebody who's high in extroversion on your team is going to keep the energy going on every single team. That's been true of the teams that I've worked with. Okay, assertiveness. So what does this subtrait result in perception? Where do people need to go? So if you're optimistic and you're excited about it, it can be easy for you to go, hey, let's all go this way. Hey, let's do this. Hey, and they tend to have the perception of where do people need to go? That's their primary question, primary perception. So they're constantly scanning their world for where do we need to put people in their place? Not in a domineering way. It's just so natural to them that they want to answer this question. And then their chief behavior, influence others in directing them where to go. So they're constantly telling people, hey, let's go this way. Hey, let's go this way. Hey, let's direct this way. They tend to be great salespeople because they want to get people on board. They tend to be great negotiators. Hey, let's get everybody on board. They tend to be great, directors of some event gatherers. The people that gather people together and get them excited about things.